This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, the treasury yields are going up. And this tells me, and this is just my opinion, that investors are selling off their treasury bonds, okay? They're selling off their treasury bonds. And the reason they're doing that is because a court ruled that the tariffs are illegal. And there is a possibility that the United States government is going to have to pay back the tariffs. And the thing is this, if it happens, it is going to be a windfall for the business owners, because the business owners, they're the ones actually paying the tariffs to the government. But the real payer of these tariffs are the end users, are the consumers, and they are not going to be reimbursed. If the tariffs are returned to the business owners, they are going to see a big windfall, okay? They're not going to call their customers and tell their customers, okay, I'm giving you a rebate because the government gave me back the tariff money I spent in the airport or at the port. They're not going to do that, okay? It is going to be a positive catalyst for the business owners who were paying the tariffs at the airports and at the ship ports. But here's the thing. Is this going to have a positive impact on the market? I personally don't think so. You guys know I don't like the tariffs. I think they're absolutely outrageous. I consider the tariffs a tax on the American people. But that is my opinion, and everybody's entitled to their opinion on the tariffs. A lot of people don't realize that the tariffs are paid by the person picking the stuff up at the port. It is not paid by the country that's sending the merchandise. And a lot of people don't seem to grasp that. So if the courts order the Trump administration to return the tariffs, the end users are not going to see that money. That money is going straight to the business owners. And I believe it could have a negative impact on the market because treasury yields are going up, which tells me that the investors are dumping their treasuries, and the uncertainty creates volatility. The uncertainty creates volatility. I mean, that's really the bottom line. Is that good for the crypto market? Who knows? Who knows? I think uncertainty isn't good in any market. I think people like to know what's going to happen, or at least think they know what's going to happen. At least think they know what's going to happen. Bottom line is this. The tariffs are paid for by the end user, and if the tariffs are returned, they're going to go directly to the business owners, and the end users who actually technically paid for the tariffs are not going to see any benefits from the return of the tariffs. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the business owners should, if they get the tariff money back, they should return it to the customers who actually pay for it by paying higher prices for the goods? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.